kids, Zoe Nick, Devil's Staircase, hill climbing. We're going to fire up this Nitro Triumph. Nitro burns your nose, man. Felt like I did a line of meth. My nose is just burning. Yeah, Nitro is very dangerous, man. It's a bomb. Literally a bomb. John Williams has been always say blew up here on Nitro. It exploded like a bomb. Yes. Now they're going to blow the Nitro out of the motor, so there's nothing sitting in there. They got the starter on there, and they're going to blow it all out. Okay? Just to get all that fuel out of that motor, because it can ignite, and it will be a bomb. Yeah, pretty radical. Wait till you hear this other one. The other one's even more radical. This is 1100 motor. Stuffed in a dirt bike frame.
I don't know, that's somebody came up with me 2 minutes ago to ask if they could sign up.
Guess who I just run into?
I think they're going to fire this up next. Yep, here they go. Oh no, they're just blowing the motor out. I think now they're going to fire it up. Pure Nitro. radical shit there. Almost GP loud. I shoot a lot of GP stuff, and that's almost GP loud there. All right, guys, I'll shoot some more. We're gonna fire up this really badass Triumph over here. I'll shoot it. See you guys.